Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Motorola Moto G30. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then scroll down and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on OK Google and then click Next. I agree. Continue. Now click on Voice Model and click on Retrain Voice Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now you can click Finish and then click back. Click back again and now click on Lock Screen. Then click Yes, I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.